come here once a year to do our big event, and we invite people from all over the country, from New York, from Pennsylvania, from Georgia. We've had people fly in from Hawaii. We've even had people come in from Japan. There's a huge fascination with toy trains. There's something about watching kids in any language. When they watch trains, their eyes just light up, and there's something magical. I'm not sure exactly what it is and what causes it, but people are just fascinated. And my generation grew up with the trains.